Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to change your name on Upwork. Whether you've had a legal name change or just prefer to go by a different name, Upwork makes it easy to update your profile. Let's get started. First, log into your Upwork account. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Settings from the drop-down menu to go to your account settings. On the left side of the settings page, you'll see various options. Click on Contact Info to proceed to the section where you can update your personal details. Here, you'll find your current name displayed. To change it, simply click on the Edit button next to your name. Keep in mind that Upwork requires your profile name to reflect your real-life name and match the name on your payment account. Now, type in your new first and last name in the provided fields. If you have a single name, just enter it in both fields. After typing in your new name, take a moment to check for any mistakes. When you're ready, click the Update button at the bottom of the page to save your new name. And that's it. You've successfully changed your name on Upwork. Remember, keeping your profile updated is key to maintaining professionalism on the platform. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. See you in the next one.